Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you love beautiful food presentations and want to improve your plating skills, well, this video is for you. So today we'll use Midjourney to create visually stunning food plating ideas that are perfect for chefs, food bloggers, and anyone who enjoys artistic dishes. And as always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you get even better at plating. Let's get started. Have you ever seen those perfectly plated dishes in high-end restaurants? Every detail matters, from the placement of ingredients to the amount of sauces used. So, fine dining plating often follows a minimalist approach, where each element right here has a purpose and no single component overwhelms the others. So, the plate itself becomes a canvas and the ingredients, as you'll see right here, act as the artwork. So, when crafting a simple yet elegant plate, think about the contrast light and dark. See what else? Smooth and textured. And another one like warm and cool tones, right here. The way food is placed should guide the eye naturally across the plate. Now, let's use Midjourney to generate our own elegant fine dining plate. So here is my prompt right here. So my goal is for a gourmet dish featuring the the hero pan-seared salmon fillet, golden crispy skin, another one element asparagus, a drizzle of lemon butter sauce in a zigzag pattern, quenelle, of silky mashed potatoes. And here I want the plate white ceramic plate. And yep, here are the rest. Alrighty. And let me adjust. Just feel free which aspect ratio would you prefer. All right. Let's see how Midjourney would render these image results. Okay, so now that we've entered the prompt right here, let's wait a few moments for Midjourney to generate the rendered images right here. The setup highlights simplicity, clean representation, and proper balance. Okay, so just wait for a while. It won't take that much long with the image rendering process. Looks like we're almost done. Alrighty, and yep, here it is. See? Let's look and notice how the salmon is the focal point right here. Another one. Yep, this one kind of matches with what I wanted to envision right here. See the asparagus and the sauce add texture and contrast. And yep, and with the precise sauce drizzle and the creamy mashed potatoes give a refined touch. And also, the white ceramic plate helps everything pop visually, just keeping the look clean and refined. So, this is a great way to create an elegant restaurant quality presentation. And if you're not satisfied with the results, you can just go again and feel free to add a bit more details to make it more concise. Right, let's go with another one. Just wait for a bit. Okay. It might take a while. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Yep, here's the second batch. And this one kind of matches with the sauce drizzle. Yep, it's pretty good. One more. And here we go. In food plating, layering and textures help create visual interest and keep the plate from looking flat. When plating a dish with multiple components, think about height. Stacking elements can add elegance, while careful use of different textures can make the dish more inviting. Crispy, smooth, tender, and crunchy textures should all work together harmoniously. We're about to create a plated dish that focuses on these techniques. Think of elements that naturally complement each other but have distinct textural differences. So let's generate an image that emphasizes these aspects. Here's my prompt right here. So let's say I want a thick cut grilled steak with a perfectly seared crust and medium rare center, placed atop a crispy potato mille. I don't know how to pronounce this, sorry by the way. Stacked with delicate layers, topped with caramelized onions, okay, under soft lighting, drizzled in a glossy red wine reduction, cascading over the layers. See how very well worded with those descriptions are? See? Plated on a mate black ceramic plate, kind of like this one, as you can see. For contrast, okay, moody fine dining background, and here we go. So let's send this off and leave it to Midjourney for the image rendering process. All right, the prompt is set. Midjourney will now generate a plated dish that highlights the contrast between textures, crispy, tender, and smooth elements working together. All right, let's see how this would work out. All right, the process might take a bit while. All right, we're about almost done. Ah, wow, look at that. See, right here? Look at the crispy potato stack creates height here, while the glossy sauce and caramelized onions, and another one right here. Yep, the caramelized onions add richness, the steaks. Seared crust gives depth, making this dish look luxurious. And another one, the dark plate. Another one right here. And another one right here. Enhances the contrast between the vibrant food elements, making each detail more pronounced. Well, overall, this is a great example of how layering can enhance the overall presentation. See? Look at that. And one more. Another one here. So if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow and keeps us bringing you more helpful content. Not all plating has to be formal. Sometimes the most memorable dishes are the ones that are fun and creative. Have you ever seen a dessert that looks more like a painting than food? Well, bright colors, unexpected shapes, and artistic splatters can take plating to the next level. Creative plating often involves controlled chaos, splatters of sauce, deconstructed elements, and unconventional arrangements that break the usual rules but still look intentional. So let's create a playful dessert plate that looks like a piece of art. Okay, here's one prompt right here. So I would aim for a deconstructed berry cheesecake with a light and airy cheesecake mousse piped into elegant swirls. Okay, has a shape. Has raspberry coulis artistically splattered across the mate white plate, delicate chocolate curls and edible gold flakes sprinkled on top. There's fresh berry slices placed in a spiral pattern, garnished with micro mint leaves. There's quenelle of vanilla bean ice cream and plated on a glass dish with dramatic backlighting. Okay, so we got all the details here. And now it all comes down to what Midjourney would render the image results that could match up with our prompt right here. Let's go. Alrighty, let's see how Midjourney interprets this prompt. We're aiming for something colorful, eye-catching, and creative. Something perfect for social media worthy desserts. All right, looks like almost done. Okay. Well, would you look at that? Let's look at the following right here. All right, not bad. I kind of like this one. This one, okay. Look at that. The artistic sauce splash. This one, I kind of like this one more. And the fresh fruit make this plate look so lively. There's the edible gold and chocolate curls. Hold on. Yep, there it is, one right here. Give it that extra luxurious feel. Alrighty. And another one right here. Glass dish, backlighting, create a sense of dimension, making it feel almost surreal. So yeah, this kind of plating is great for impressing guests or creating visually stunning food photography. Also, if you want for another batch that could very closely match the ones in your prompt, just click use text, hit enter right here. There we go. And as you can see, it doesn't take much longer in the image rendering process. Again, it would take a bit while, but not much longer than you'd expect. Okay, just let Midjourney right there process everything. Alrighty, yep, here it is. Another one right here, another one right here, another one right here, and another one right here. See? And that's it. We explored elegant plating, layering techniques, and creative presentations. So try experimenting with the different prompts to find your style and share your results in the comments below. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.